This week, we're going to look at your second homework assignment and our first geography assignment. Yay, geography! Geography is super cool and super important because we got to work with maps and start looking at things in 3D spaces. It's a lot of fun. So let's start. When you want to start this homework, you will go to your Social Studies Google Classroom and you'll skip my website post. You'll skip my King Rod's YouTube unless you're trying to find this video. And you'll go right down to homework number 2, Intro to Geography. And you're going to open up those slides. And when you open up those slides, it looks like this. These slides will just have all of the directions that you need, and the piece of paper that you're going to get looks like this. Now, you will not be able to do this part online. You'll be doing this with pencil and paper, but all of your answers go right here. Looks like we're looking at images. Image 1, answer right there. Image 2, answer right there. And look at this. Sentence starters, and they're color-coded. Looks like they might go in order. I see this. This means blank. It looks like this. I wonder if blank. So it looks like Mr. Rod has you pretty well hooked up. Let's take a look at those slides to see what our actual directions are. So I'm going to go full screen, as you should always do when looking at slides. Goal: I will answer the question, what is geography and how do humans use it? Looks like that is the homework goal for this week. Part 1, gather descriptions and evidence by describing geographic pictures. Looks like Mr. Rod is going to do the thing he loves the most, showing you guys pictures and seeing what you say about them. So let's just hit the next slide. What do you see? Explain or describe what you see in each image on your answer sheet. All answers must be in full sentences. Use the sentence starters in your answer sheet to help. Awesome, Mr. Rod. I'm so glad you helped us out. And it looks like here's one picture. Here's 2 pictures. Picture number 3. Next slide. Picture number 4. Next slide. Picture number 5. How many pictures are you giving us, Mr. Rod? Next slide. Oh, thank goodness, it's only 5 pictures. So let's rewind. And it looks like we can click to make these pictures bigger. So let's start. I'm going to start with picture number 1. I almost went to number 2 right there. It just looks prettier. But let's start with picture number 1. I'm going to click to enlarge. Whoa, Mr. Rod, awesome picture. Man, so this is a pretty nice picture, but what am I supposed to do with this again? Oh, right, explain or describe what you see. Alright, so I'm gonna have this paper next to me, and it looks like I'm just gonna put my description in here. Now, you won't be erasing or backspacing, or even typing for that matter. You will be handwriting this, but since we're on image 1, let's take a look at image 1 and see what we see. See, there's Earth right there, and Moon, the asteroid belt, Jupiter, and Neptune, and Pluto. And look, there's a comet coming in. Cool. I see the solar system. Awesome. Looks like I used one of Mr. Rod's sentence stems. Perfect. This means... Oh, Mr. Rod, how am I supposed to finish that? This means, so we're doing geography. He showed us a picture of a solar system. This means that maybe we will also study other planets other than Earth in history? I'm going to put a question mark because I don't really know. But if I'm going to make a prediction about Mr. Rod, just based on this picture he showed us, I mean, he's showing us other planets. So maybe we'll be looking at other planets in history? Who knows? But look at that. Image 1, done. Let's go to image 2. I'll do one last image with you guys. Let's go to image 2. Let's click to enlarge this one. Here's image 2 right here. Oh yeah, these look like mountains. So, instant reaction, these look like mountains. That means... nice, it looks like, sweet. I can use that one. This image looks like a picture of mountains. Now I didn't quite use this, and you can always mix and match. It looks like, see how I'm kind of flipping these around? You can always use my set and stems whichever way you want. It looks like there are many different types of mountains. Just gonna go ahead and confirm that. Many different types of mountains. Yeah, look at that. They're all different. They're all different colors. They're all different styles. They're all different shapes. You know what? I'm gonna say they're all different styles and different shapes. Awesome. They are all different styles and shapes. Sweet. Image number 2 done. So it looks like that's how this first part goes. Pretty simple. Remember, click to enlarge. And part 2 is just put it all together. Summarize the things you've learned about geography. Use the descriptions from the previous images as your talking points. Write this on your answer sheet. Looks like we're going to be going to the final page. Here we go. Part 2, 10 quiz points. Oh, this is going to be a quiz. Answer the question by summarizing what you've learned. What is geography and how do humans use it? The top 4 light colored sentence starters should be the beginning of your answer. Oh, sweet. These 2 are good for the middle part of your answer. This is important. Without geography. Sweet, Mr. Rod. I'm so glad you're hooking us up. These last 2 would fit perfectly at the end of the answer. Wonderful. So whatever I have said up here, I can use down here for my quiz answer. Remember, make sure you pull your parachute. Make sure you use the people in your group to help you out. This is the last part. Make sure you get to this last part. You have until next Monday to do this. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click that like or subscribe button. See you during the next one.